Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we have to discuss those equations which contain absolute. The given equation is x minus 1 absolute is equal to 7. Now there are two cases. X minus 1 absolute is equal to x minus 1. If x minus 1 greater than 0 means x minus 1 either is equal to 7 or x minus 1 is equal to minus 7. So in absolute cases there are two cases. So in first case this becomes 7 plus 1 because transform minus 1 from left hand side to right hand side. And in the second case x is equal to minus 7 plus 1. So x is equal to 8 and here x is equal to minus 6. So the solution set become minus 6 and 8. This is the solution set. Now in the second case 3x minus 1 absolute plus 7 is equal to 11. First we have to simplify this form 3x minus 5 plus 7 is equal to 11. This becomes 3x minus 5 is equal to 11 minus 7. After that 3x minus 5 absolute is equal to 4. Now to solve this there are again two cases. One is 3x minus 5 is equal to 4. So there are two cases. 3x minus 5 is equal to 4 or 3x minus 5 is equal to minus 4. So in first case 3x is equal to 4 plus 5. In the second case 3x is equal to minus 4 plus 5. So this becomes 3x is equal to 1 and here 3x is equal to 9. So solution becomes 3x is equal to 9 and another side 3x is equal to 1. Dividing both sides by 3. So x becomes 3. And here if we divide both sides by 3, x is equal to 1 over 3. So the solution set become 3 and 1 over 3. This is the required lecture. Thank you for watching this short video.